tree yard. Connects to where they were right now. Take a little ride, show you some more.
We're in the next 40-acre area that Maia and Guida will soon have access to. We're hoping that they'll be here in about 4 weeks, depending on how construction goes. One of the things that's left to do is build a pond, which is going to be right where we're standing. And it's also a nice area because it's close to the shade trees. They can be in the sun, in the water, and then go seek shelter in the shade and get a nice scratching on the trees nearby. So it should be great. We're looking forward to them having access to this very soon.
These are some areas of erosion that already exist, mostly because of the cows that were on the property. It was an old cattle farm, but these will actually end up being some really cute areas for the elephants. An ideal spot for a nice dust bath. And in the rainy season, a big mud wallow. You have little hiding nooks all over the place. Amazing drops in temperature. Lots of shade. Perfect little sleepy spot.